guys, HoppeHunting here. So I know it's been a really long time since I made a video, and I'm sorry about that, but I'm sure that you can understand with everything that's going on in the world right now, it hasn't exactly been easy for me to make videos. But that being said, I'm at a really cool site today. Most of the fossils I've found on my channel so far are about 15 million years old, but the fossils here are about 55 million years old. So today's gonna be something a little different, and I really hope you guys will enjoy. All right, let's go. It's a pretty nice one. This one's kind of hiding. Another tooth. This one's mostly buried in the sand. Got some nice cusps. It's a decent size. Another nice one. That's really nice. It's a ray plate. I think it's actually got a couple rows. Yeah, 2 rows. Nice. One's being tossed around. Look at this. Wash it off. Nice. Looks like a good one. Tip's missing, but still pretty good. Not bad. Two right next to each other. Got it. Oh, that one's awesome. Jacolotodus. Sweet. Not bad. Just past peak low tide. So the water's now coming in, and hopefully it'll kick up some good stuff. Oh, there's a tooth. Not bad. There's another one. It's a ray plate. This one got some nice little cusps. Good shape. Nice partial ray plate. That's a good one. Look how tiny this one is. There's one in the water. That's pretty nice. Just taking a quick break, and here's what I've got so far. They're all sandy, but quite a few teeth, lots of ray plates too. Those are almost as common as the shark teeth here. It's incredible. So, water's coming in. Let's see what else we can find. Nice one up here. Look at this tooth. White. Usually don't see that here. Oh, that's gorgeous. This one's mostly buried. Oh, sweet. Looks like the whole thing's there, or at least most of it. Yeah, that's a nice one. There's a nice one in the water. Oh yeah, that's great. A little one. Another tooth in the water. That's pretty. Not bad at all. That's a really nice one. Oh, sweet. What a beauty. Not bad. There's one there. Looks like a little mackerel. Some pretty serious cusps. See it? Pretty. Nice one. Little tooth in the water. This one looks pretty unique. It's like curves. Cool. This tooth here. Oh, that's got some really cool colors. Sweet. This thing is tiny. I'm trying to make sure I don't lose it. Wow. About to get back to the entrance, head back up to the car, and I'll show you guys everything I got when I get home. See ya. Hey guys, so I'm back home and I actually ended up finding about 640 fossils today. The vast majority of them are fossilized shark teeth and ray plates, and as I mentioned before, these fossils are about 55 to 60 million years old, much older than the Miocene fossils of Calvert Cliffs. And while I didn't find anything too unique or spectacular, I still managed to find a ton of fossils to add to my collection. Now I know this is the first time in a while that I've uploaded a video, but that's not to say I haven't been collecting. I've actually been hunting a lot lately and finding some pretty awesome stuff, like these incredible megalodon teeth. I simply don't always have the opportunity to make a full-length YouTube video, so if you'd like to stay updated with my fossil finds, head on over to Instagram and follow @HoppeHunting for frequent photos and videos from my hunts. So that'll do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and a comment, and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy hunting.